We're at Circus Juventas in St. Paul, Minnesota, where our Rubb team is installing a recover of the original Circus building put up in 2000. The owner wished to upgrade to our newer thermal insulation system. So what we are doing is we are installing that new fabric membrane on top of the existing membrane. Rubb has been doing business with the Seaman Corporation for almost 40 years now. They manufacture a quality product. It's long-lasting, it's consistent, so that always makes installation a breeze.
Rubb Industries is the company that designed our building 25 years ago. So we reached out to Rubb because they're the experts on this, and they recommended this product, and it's been great.
After 25 years, Seaman's Shelter-Rite products have held up very well, and given the rough Minnesota climate.
It's held up remarkably. I'm really impressed. We got to go inside and see the insulation that's in there now that was put in 25 years ago. And it looks still like it was brand new.
This new system will help save on their heating and cooling costs, and it will provide a new cover that will last for another 25 years at least.
Being a nonprofit, every dollar counts. We want all of our money to go into investing in the school, investing in the students, investing in the community. And so having a building, having a fabric in our case, that stands the test of time and doesn't need constant attention, it doesn't need to be repaired, it means the world to us.
I would absolutely recommend Seaman Shelter-Rite products to other builders. It's a great company, they have a great product and offer great support.
I would definitely recommend Seaman Corp products to other businesses, other facilities. It's incredible, it lasts, we just love it.